Welcome back to another video. So आज हम आए हैं न्यू दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन. So from here we are going to Agra. So this is our train. Now we need to find our seats. My brothers are still on the way. I'm here alone, and yeah, I came here first. Mom and my brothers are on their way. Guys, my parents are also here. Hey, I mean, Mom, Jay, there's Suraj alone. Alright guys, and the time is 5:53. We'll leave in a while.
बुदाई सानो हो ट्राफिक बेसी भएर नि
Almost late.
परबाट खुट्टै ल्याएको
You guys were almost.
छोरा कुदेन
Hotel you took this late.
Complete.
Hotel you to wake up late.
No, we didn't wake up late. The cab was late.
Sad.
फेरि कति ढिलो कुदाएको के
Now the time is exactly 6 and the train started to move. Nice. New Delhi railway station. The time is 6:30. They started to distribute chai. This is the package. You get chai, cream, biscuit, Mary biscuit. Okay. She is sleeping like a baby. Looks yummy, yummy. Air bubble. Bathroom check. The time is 7:46 and it's more bright out. Jay and mommy sleeping both.
छावनी स्टेशन पर गाड़ी अपने निर्धारित समय केवल 5 मिनट के लिए रुकेगी.
We just reached Agra station. Now we'll get off. I'm very sleepy guys. I was sleeping for a while. I took a nap. Welcome to Agra Canteen. So we just exited this station and the temperature is up there. 10 degrees Celsius. Agra Fort Taj Mahal 10 kilometer. Okay. Now the time is 8:13 and mom went for Lulu break. Wait, how was the thing, everything, journey?
It was good. Journey was good. It was
Smart boy.
short. It was pretty short. It's smart.
Yeah, stop talking now. Smart boy. Brown boy. Brown Munde. How about you?
I'm
Grey
cold.
Monday.
I'm seriously cold.
Jay is feeling cold.
Thankfully, there's no fog today. We're lucky.
Mom is not feeling cold. Oh yeah, we can see Mahal Taj very
Oh my goodness,
clear.
it's so crowded early in the
Guys,
morning.
we are selling water.
We got for free.
We're selling water, guys. We got it for free in the train. Now we're gonna sell 5 rupees each. So stay tuned, guys. I'm trying to make the vlog short because long is nice but boring. So I will try to compile everything in one vlog, and my battery is about to die again. But luckily, Jay's new phone has a lot of storage, just in case I run out of storage. His battery is also good. No problem. Backup. He don't have memory. He's not a backup. Noob. Alright. Oh, white shoes. Yeah. Mommy came out. Mommy. And there's the counter for the taxi. Wherever you want to go. The prices are fixed. It's visible somewhere. It says
बाद कहाँ का घूमना. शाम को ट्रेन कितने बजे आती है ये बताओ.
3 बजे.
350 per
6
person.
घंटे भी हो जाए 7 घंटे भी हो जाए तो कोई वेटिंग चार्जेस नहीं है.
अच्छा, मतलब पैकेज है.
जी हाँ, पैकेज है. ओनली 1550 का ऑल टुगेदर.
और कहाँ
ताजमहल दिखाएंगे, आगरा फोर्ट दिखाएंगे, तिरुपति बालाजी का टेम्पल दिखाएंगे, मिनीता शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स दिखाएंगे, खाना खाने जाएंगे वहाँ ले जाएंगे, पेठा वगैरह लेंगे वहाँ ले जाएंगे. उसके बाद आपको इधर ड्रॉप कराएंगे.
अच्छा, तो ये होल डे का है.
जी नहीं, हॉलीडे का नहीं है सर. ये 5 आवर्स का है, मगर आपका 3 बजे का ट्रेन है तो 2 बजे आपको इधर ड्रॉप करेंगे.
अच्छा,
जी हाँ. इसमें कोई भी वेटिंग चार्जेस नहीं है. ओनली 2 जगह का पार्किंग है, वो आपको ऑन सेल पे करना है 50 रुपये.
So you heard about the price and package. Now Suraj is standing there, the brown Munde. Suraj releasing air. You. Right, guys. This is the cab. Remember the number, just in case. You know, we never know because this is so dirty. Ew, what's this? Ew, it stinks. Seriously. What? It is stinking, stinking, stinky. Jay, look the other side. It's stinky, stinky. If you open the window, you'll faint. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? मनीष कुमार जी ठीक है let's go. We started at 8:30 exactly, so let's see. Yes, we have to be back by 2 for train because we have a train at 3 baje. So guys, Agra is clean. It's very clean actually.
First impression.
Yeah, the first impression is clean. Oh, actually, the first impression at the station was not that good, but the road is good. The station is not that clean. Yeah, it was stinky, but the road good, very clean. Agra station, guys. What Avanti Bhai? I thought it was Jhansi Ki Rani in Agra. I'm like, why? It's someone else, guys. Sorry. There we go, Agra Fort and Taj Mahal. So first we'll go to Taj Mahal. After that we'll have lunch or breakfast, whatever you want to call it. And after that we'll go to Agra Fort. After that, another figurine. I don't know the name, guys. Durga Das Rathore ji. Okay, nice. Oh, this is the Taj Mahal metro station. This metro at Taj Mahal. Oh, I didn't know that. New information. I don't know if it's functional or not. Oh, we are going straight to the metro side. Nice. So we're gonna park here at the metro parking of Agra. Oi, it's a nice place. It's clean. It's parking or park. Second impression, very good impression. First impression, Nala smells stinky. I don't know how far it is from here, but he'll guide us probably. Otherwise, we won't know where to go. And I want to do susu, but I don't know where. So we have to enter from this gate, and we need to ride the electric wala Toto.
Hello friends.
Oh, book the tickets then online. वॉशरूम है यहाँ पे सब कुछ है सुसु करना है. Oh, thank you. Alright guys. Yes. Guys, he showed me this site for washroom. I don't know where the washroom is. Is this the washroom? Excuse me. Washroom का है? अच्छा यही है? Okay. Washroom check. Porta parties, guys. Are you kidding me? It's freaking loud, man. 10 रुपए only. Hurry up. पैसा छैन. Thank you. चलिए guys. We Sulab toilets. We gotta go now. Oh, tickets done, Jay?
No, thank you.
What?
He was asking for guide. He was trying to convince us. But we're Indians.
Trying to convince of what?
To hire a guide.
We don't care here.
But
I'm
keep
the
it,
guide.
Keep it. I don't want to touch
Keep the change.
Keep it.
Yo. Keep the change. Check this out, guys. So after you enter the gate, they will try to convince you to take guide and the Toto. So you have to say, nahi chahiye bhaiya. No. And then you have to walk because, see, you'll miss all of this if you don't walk. You know what this is? I don't know either, but it's nice. See?
Thank you.
See? They'll try to sell you things.
They'll try to sell socks because
They'll try to sell you socks because shoes, bare shoes is not allowed inside the platform of the Taj Mahal, but around it, it's okay. So,
Thank you.
and yet you don't have to buy from outside because if you get the tickets, like 250 rupees wala ticket, then they will give you.
They'll
They will
give you the cover.
They will give you the cover
Shoe
there.
Cover. You don't have to remove your shoes.
Yeah, shoe cover. And if you get the 50 rupees wala ticket, then
And
you are
can't
not
go up there.
you are not allowed to go up there, so you don't need it. So that's why you don't have to buy. Anyways, the tree is hanging very, very low. I can touch the tree. I am tall now. Yay! It's clean, huh? How is your impression about the Taj Mahal
So
area?
far, it's good. Yeah, it's well maintained.
It's well maintained, right?
Yeah, and I'm cold.
It's very freaking cold, guys.
Look, Prasant.
Prasant! Prasant! Prasant's brother. Rahul! See? It's nice weather right now. Winter time, Taj Mahal, Agra. Awesome.
I'm surprised why isn't headphones allowed.
Headphones allowed. Guys, who put up that post? I mean, it's upside down.
Someone printed the arrow
Oh,
wrong.
bhai. Automatic smart toilet. I don't know what type of automatic it is. Oh, you just have to stand there and it will pee yourself. Oh,
It
you
will wash
pee.
for you.
It will wash for you guys. Automatic smart toilet.
Oh man, I'm cold. Like,
Me too.
ooh, from the inside.
My hands are freezing. See, my hand color changed. Oh, it's all pale now.
Pale, mommy. I'm
You, I lost my blood. See, all yellow hand. Ah, khatam. Oh, Prashant here again. Prashant Kabam. Prashant. There is some information if you want to know. Oh, there's the gate. Is that the Taj Mahal?
That's the main gate.
Taj restaurant.
That one.
Oh, so early morning, not much crowd, but still crowded.
West gate entry.
So that's
Where's
best.
the ticket counter?
From there, that's the entry. All right, so we need to book the ticket first, and then we have to enter from that gate. That's west gate. So now we are on the line, and I booked the tickets for Teen Sawari, and the remaining Suraj. Okay, guys, it cost us 135 rupees for 3. Guys, I accidentally closed the ticket wala page. Now we lost the ticket. We had to return back. Now I have to re-download. I don't even have the Gmail app now. Net not working, guys. Oh bhai, what a musibat. Finally, I got it back from my Gmail. Luckily, I used my Gmail account. So, we got a ticket back, but guys, the network is really slow here. Dimag kharab. We wasted a lot of time. And so we just entered the gate from the Aise wala. Now this is... Where is the Taj Mahal?
This side.
Oh, you've been here before.
Go left from here.
We have to go left. Okay. There's the gate from where you can see the Taj Mahal. There, oh yeah, I can see already. It's looking small, guys. Taj Mahal looking small from here. I'm not a good guide. I'll mislead every one of you. So don't believe anything I say. This was built by Mahatma Gandhi. Mommy's bottle. Mommy, look this side and smile. Nice photo clicking place. This is the gate. Let's explore, guys. See, that is called Lone Moor. Taj Mahal Lone Moor. So this is the gate. We are going to enter from here. And there's a layout of the Taj Mahal, which no one cares. Here, Taj Mahal reveal time. Check this out. Wow. That's the Mahal. Taj of the Taj. Damn. I lost my mom, my brothers. I don't know where they're at. I was busy filming. And now I need to find them. Where are you guys? Check this out, guys. Wow. Don't look back. No. Wow. This is better than Taj Mahal. See? I can now see both of them at the same time. I like this Taj Mahal more.
So beautiful.
It's nice, right? Beautiful, right? But you are prettier.
Thank you.
बहुत तेज हो रहे हो. No face reveal. Don't even ask. Not now. 100K first. Guys, it's 9:36. It turns out mom and my brothers are still at the gate up there. Now we'll get the tickets to go on the platform. We'll go and see from close up because I don't want to like bore you guys with Taj Mahal videos because you already seen Taj Mahal a million of times already. So I will share with you my experience how it feels when you're on there up there. So we are here, mommy.
Yeah.
We were searching for you.
We are searching for you.
Really?
too.
Oi, Oh, click picture for her also. She said only Jay or Suraj will click my picture because I. Alright guys, so let's take video like this. We'll click picture like this.
Not like that.
I think I can lift the Taj Mahal. Ting! Guys, the holy water of Taj Mahal. Wow! Guys, dhanya ho gaya main. Ew! Whatever you say guys, my Taj Mahal is better than that Taj Mahal.
What about your Shah Jahan?
My Shah Jahan. Guys, there are 4 Qutub Minars around the Taj Mahal. One is in the back side of the front side. It says, road for central ticket holder. So we have to go that way and then we can upgrade our normal tickets. That is the duty post. Shahjahan Army duty post. So we have made a beautiful reel. I mean lot of reels in front of this. We did that Aankhein Meri, Aankhein Teri wala reel. And then she was spinning here and there. Check this out. Yamuna River. Yamuna River is dry. Wow, this is Yamuna waterfall. So guys, if you don't know, this is the real Agadi. This is the front of the Taj Mahal because it was designed to be watched from that side, like across the Yamuna River. Front you will see one Taj Mahal and 2 Qutub Minars, one on either side. I successfully misguide a lot of you guys. Ting! What?
But the front thing is right.
Yeah, I
This
did
is
the
the
front.
front face.
Yeah, this is the front face. This is the main entrance. Neeraj! Yo! Bye! So I met my old friends from once upon a time. So we had a small talk. I forgot to film. Now they're filming. We have to go from the back. Okay. And in the process, I lost my family again. Check this out. This is the other angle, but all angles looks the same. So this is very nice place to click picture. Wow. Yeah, I think we should click picture here. Guys, people have showed you that thing a lot. But how about this? This was made by Abdul Rahman, along with the masterpiece of the bird Pupu. And this is their mosque. We can look inside. It's nothing is in there. And so here's the ticket counter if you want to go on the first floor of the Taj Mahal.
Scan and pay Taj Mausoleum.
I don't care. Mussolini floor is up there. Let's go. This thing is so unnecessary. See, I can see my shoes. It will not protect my shoes, guys. And the time is 10:43. And my shoes are not come on. Now this is the time we touch the Taj Mahal, guys. Drum roll. Oh, I missed. Sorry. Oh, this was made afterwards, guys. This is not made by Shahjahan. Okay, so we are higher than so many people now. So there's the gate where we came from, and you have already seen this place million times. Now see 1,000,001. See, you can see the inscription written in Chinese.
Chinese. I have to touch.
Yeah, we have to touch Taj Mahal. Hands proved. See, my hands have proved that I have touched Taj Mahal. Wow. Hey, the Qutub Minar has a door up there with the balcony. Guys, Jay is checking out his bucket list where he said he wants to touch Taj Mahal.
No, stand in
Oh, stay in front. Okay.
Now I have to strike out.
Okay. How do you feel about the Taj Mahal?
Beautiful. Oh, you look great.
Thank you. I will run with this socks.
No, you can't.
Yeah, we'll make a video. I'll run and then I'll look back in slow motion. Okay.
You can't do that.
1, 2.
Ah, dun, da, da. Nice.
So enough of Taj Mahal. Guys, let's go to next location. You have seen enough of Taj Mahal. Let's go. Now we're out. Jay, how is your impression about the Taj Mahal?
It was good. It was good.
Overacting. He was like, it's just average.
It was you.
Oh, was that me? I don't know, guys. Don't hate me. I'm not. What am I even trying to say? It's too expensive to pay that much money for just so little amount of time with no food. They did not even give chai nasta. I was expecting chai samosa on the top. We entered the house. We thought the line of langar. There was no food inside. I came out disappointed. My back hurts now because of gastric. Now I will go and eat something. That's why, guys, don't hate me. You also don't talk too much. I will expose you. Back to our car. Whoosh. Let's go to the next destination. We are here at Delhi Darbar restaurant. Chaliye guys. Let's have some lunch. My stomach is empty. Okay. Hi Jay, what do you want to eat?
I'm looking for biryani.
Me too. I'm looking for chicken biryani and chicken tiktok. Chicken tiktok masala. Mutton biryani. That chicken biryani.
Ooh, sweet.
Suraj went somewhere, dreamland.
Sweet and sour. And spicy.
Suraj about to sleep, guys. Hey, Jay, wake him up. Plain chicken biryani on butter chicken. Butter chicken. Wow, more incoming, guys. Naan. Come on, try. Alright, guys. I will have to dig in now. I'm very hungry. Bye.
You're playing with this.
Chicken biryani was awful. Not recommended at all. Mutton biryani also the same. Like they use the same rice. They just replace the meat like on top. It was very very bad. Like luckily, like we also ordered butter chicken and naan. So it saved the day. And they don't accept card. So bring your cash. Let's go to next location, guys. Guys, there's a tank in the middle of the road. Or in the side of the road. Nice. There are flower pots. Very nice. Very well maintained roads. And the trees have rings on them. Nice. Oh, they are lights, they said. And there is something about the army thing. Another location, Agra Fort. And here we go again. In the sun this time. Another automatic Susu and Pupu. So there's the fort of Agra. Agra Fort for parking. Oh, Agra for parking. Agra Fort parking. Yes. Is it worth going in? There is India flag also. Let's see the uncle. Uncle riding horse.
पाव भाजी है, आलू पराठा है,
अब भी खाना खा के आया है.
अच्छा खा गया यार.
हाँ जी. Thank you. Thank you for the offer. How's it, mom? Mom is disappointed. Pani Puri lover. वाह, अरे वाह. घोड़ा गाड़ी गाइस. एक सवारी का 10 रुपए.
हाँ आना जाना.
कहाँ तक?
लेदर मार्केट घुमा के इधर ही ड्रॉप.
नहीं लेदर चाबुक किसको मारना है इससे?
घर में लगाने का शो के लिए.
अच्छा, शो के लिए? कितने का है?
600 रुपए का.
सदी भाई टू एक्सपेंसिव. नहीं ठीक है.
कितना देगा?
नहीं बस ऐसे ही लेना नहीं. दाम पूछना. 600 रुपीज गाइस. चाबुक 600 रुपीज फॉर दिस whip. 400 लास्ट प्राइस. ओए नहीं.
100 रुपए डबल के में लगाई जाता है.
नहीं. No. Running store. Wow. So this is the frontal view. Oh, it looks bigger than the one in Delhi. And now we're entering. This is the gate. And there is a chandelier. Guys, this is the original door. This is the real door of the Once Upon a Time. It was built before Once Upon a Time. This is my ticket. And this is another entrance gate. Second one. Okay. Another scanning. They will check our ID card. What the unnecessary. And we have entered another gate, which has another gate. So many gates after gates after gates. Hi. How many more gates after we reach the actual place? Hi. He tore my ticket in half. Now how will I scan this?
How many sila ito?
Where pigeon? Oh, throw stone. So this is the map. Oh, wow. All right, guys. So big blunder. I spoke the whole way. I gave every explanation and I forgot to record.
Now explain again.
Now I'll have to explain again. So this road, as you see, this is for elephant and donkeys and the horsemen of the enemies and the friendly people. So once, wait, I'll explain this first. This is another gate after so many gates. All right, back to the topic. So when the enemy's troop enter, they pour down oil, hot oil from one side, hot water from the other side, and the horses get slippery. They could not climb, and Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, and the wall fell down. Oh, pigeon! And this is, and they said there are 11 palace. 16 palace inside the fort. Let's count, guys. I'm tired. Let's not count. Oh, a school excursion. School kids are not allowed to go here and there. See, Mahatma Burj Khalifa. That one. That's Mahatma Burj Khalifa. There are two more maqbara. I mean, mosque, palace, not princess. I'm going to misguide you guys. Please don't take my word in salt of grain. Take it in a bucket of grain. Oh, bucket of salt. What? Why are you laughing?
I don't want to laugh.
Why are you laughing? Do not pluck the flowers and do not walk in the lawns. This is said Diwan I am. Diwan I am, guys. I'm so tired. It's already 12:52. Hey, only 12:52. We have a train. We have train for 3 p.m. We need to return by then. Oh, bhai.
Train is delayed by 30 minutes.
Train is delayed by 30 minutes again. Hi, ha. The 3 monkeys were buried there. Mahatma Gandhi 3 monkeys.
Where?
There, the tree tomb. This is the exit gate, I think. Maybe there. See, I can see so many houses inside also. Palace. But are we allowed to go inside? Us taraf nahi allowed hai? Oh, see the 3 chipmunks. 4 chipmunks.
Meow. Meow, meow.
Guys, we found the real deal. That's called top.
Cannonball. Level 2 cannon. Level 3.
Level 1 cannon.
No, level 1 is tiny.
Oh, level 1 is tiny. Level 3
So huge.
cannon. Where's the ball? Only cannon, no balls. Are you excited to see this? Oh, are you excited to see this?
Let's go.
Oh, I think this is the real deal, guys. Stay tuned. Oh, nice. Chaprification happening in real time. Oh, we can go up here. Okay. Oh, I think we can get a sneak peek of up there.
You wish.
What wish?
You wish you can see, right?
Oh, so there's staircase. Let's go. Wow. Guys, 10 inch.
Trzeba powiedzieć, jaką to koda kraina. U nas niestety w Gdańsku zaczęły się już napisy po ukraińsku.
Okay, so this leads to another place. Oh, this is the first we discovered something. Yay! Mom and Suraj lost. Wow. See, there's a view. Wow. Okay, we almost missed this because there was no clear instruction on what to do. Although we paid a lot of money. Yeah, we didn't take the guy. He was like, yeah, मैं आधे घंटे में घुमा दूंगा. We're like, no thanks. We know how to do and what to do. Wish. How is this place? How is the garden?
It's very beautiful.
Beautiful?
Seems like princess.
Princess? You feel like princess?
Yes.
See, jail. This is not for princess. This is for jail. See, jail. You can be a jailer if you want. This is jail, and this is the main entrance of the jail. हम आपको तकल्लुफ करते हैं या आप हमारे संतलक में आप अपराध कर रहे हो. संतलक में खूनी हो. Guys, these are Kalko tree, the side ones. These are a solitary confinement. This one is another Diwan I Khas. This one is for Khas people only. See, now we don't miss anything. Oh, thank God we came here. There, once upon a time, if you can see far away, Disneyland. Now the time is 1:1. I think we should leave now. I'm hungry. I mean, angry. And so this is the main Aage wala wall. So that's the face which you see from the outside. This is one small place where humans have gathered together for a picture. It's time to head back to the railway station. It's 1:18. I'll catch you up there. Let's go. Back at the parking. यादगार नहीं चाहिए, बहुत यादगार हो गया व्लॉग में। 1:30 guys. Let's see how much time it takes for us to reach the East Station. And now we are back from where we started. Thank you, Manish ji. Thank you so much. It was a fun ride. All right, so that's the station, and it's 21 degrees Celsius or 28% humidity. Slip किसके पास है? उसके पास। Oh, इधर है। Thank you so much. So we gave the slip. Now he will get his payment. Oh, there's ATM if you want money. I don't think we need any more cash. Do we? We may need
We may need it
for food.
Not for food, for cab later on.
Yeah, for cab we'll need some money.
मेरो तो ATM ही चल्दैन।
Let's get some cash, guys.
Oh, this tree looks so good.
Oh yeah, guys, look at the tree. Uish, who cut the hairstyle? So nice. Look at the time, it's 4:17. The train was supposed to be here by 3:15. It's 1 hour late, and it's still estimated to be 15 more minutes late. So we're gonna reach very, very late at home, guys. Sad life. Finally, the train is late comer, late comer. Okay. Sleeper class, guys. It's a long day. We'll catch you up again tomorrow, guys.